मैडम, थैंक यू मैडम।
5 मिनट। यस,
आप रमेश जी बैठिए थोड़ा।
आप कोई कुछ
मैं बात कर रहा हूँ। मैं स्टार्ट मैडम। आई थॉट राहुल गांधी जी would react to the चिदम्बरम स्टेटमेंट। 27 ईयर्स के पहले जो हुआ था उसका जो एक्सेप्ट किया है चिदम्बरम साहब उस टाइम गृह मंत्री होते हुए, राज्य गृह मंत्री होते हुए, उनके बारे में राहुल गांधी जी को याद नहीं आया। He talked so much on intolerance, but he never bothered to at least to disown the statement of Manishankar Iyer and Salman Khurshid. He said Pakistan has become a failed state because of intolerance. But these people, Manishankar Iyer and Salman Khurshid, they went to the Pakistan and they praised the Pakistan Prime Minister and condemned the Indian elected Prime Minister by a way of constitution method which Ambedkar had given us as a gift. By constitution authority, Prime Minister Modi has become the Prime Minister. These people go there and condemn it, and now they are talking of intolerance in India. This is the most strange thing, shameful thing, madam.
Yes.
Madam, second thing, this country and in the entire world, it is the secular country. It is the only secular country in the world because 80% are Hindus are there in this country. Hindus believe that this is the Hindu is not just a religion, it is the way of life. Not only tolerant, not only सर्वधर्म समभाव नहीं है मैडम, सर्वधर्म गौरव के बात इधर होता है। जो चारवाक थे ना, चारवाक जिन्होंने कहा कर्जा करो घी खाओ, ये जो कहा वो अतीश थे, उनको भी षड्दर्शन में उनको भी ऋषि माना गया। इस देश में ऐसा टॉलरेंट इस देश है, इसलिए अभी भी ये सेक्युलर है मैडम। इसलिए मैडम, there are many things to tell, there are many statistics, but you have said about the time, paucity of the time. Directly I come to the Karnataka. They are talking so much on Kalburgi. Kalburgi is from my constituency, Dharwad. My constituency is Dharwad. I had a very good relation with Kalburgi ji. Shri Yediyurappa ji is sitting here. He had a very good relation with Kalburgi. Kalburgi ji had openly supported my election. He had a very good rapport with me and party. What they are talking? They don't know anything about the Kalburgi ji. And ultimately, madam, he has been murdered. He has been murdered. No, please listen to me. सुनने का पेशेंस रखो जी। Kalburgi was murdered. Madam, now it is 93rd day. It is 93rd day after the assassination of Kalburgi. Immediately after the assassination, I went to his house. I went to hospital and I demanded on the same day there should be a very serious inquiry on this. Not even one person is arrested today. Whose government is there in the Karnataka, madam? And सुनिए थोड़ा सुनिए।
क्या कर रहे हो?
The matter, madam, this incident was given to CID of the Karnataka to investigate. The CID has given a statement. The CID Crime Investigation Department, police, they have given a statement. They have stopped the investigation. Why do you know, madam? Let this house know. Because of the paucity of fund, Karnataka government is not providing fund to investigate that CID team. That's why the investigation is stopped, madam. What has happened in this country, madam? Madam, I am not yielding, madam. Madam, I am not yielding. Madam.
Yes, now.
Madam, I am not yielding. Madam, what has happened? After 93 days, no one is arrested. इनको एक हो गया, स्पेशली कांग्रेस पीपल एंड कम्युनिस्ट को क्या हो गया, देश में कुछ भी हो गया तो आरएसएस और एक नया अभी टर्मिनोलॉजी फ्रेम किया है, राइट विंग टेररिस्ट। इस देश में क्या हुआ सर, मैडम, 2000 में जब वाजपेयी जी रूल कर रहे थे देश में और सारे प्रदेशों में और पार्टी का रूल चल रहा था, कर्नाटक में चर्चों में बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हो गया। शायद उस टाइम खड़गे जी मंत्री थे। तुरंत एक स्टेटमेंट आया कांग्रेस सब लीडर्स का, इसमें आरएसएस का हाथ है। बाद में पता चल गया कि दीनदार अंजुमन सिद्दीकी एक सिमी का पूर्व रूप था, सिमी वाज बैंड एट दैट टाइम, उनका हाथ था। this was proved, and later they are convicted. When they were convicted, I became MP, and I demanded that whoever had named the RSS without any basis, will you, for the courtesy's sake, are you going to apologize? No Congress leader was ready to apologize. This has happened from Gandhiji assassination to this date, madam. See what has happened, madam. No, madam. What has happened in this country, madam? There was one Jagannath Rao Joshi in this parliament. He was from my state. In those days also, for anything RSS was blamed. One time what happened, one Congress neta उनको आके स्वीट दिया. जगन्नाथ राव जी ने पूछा क्या हो गया, उन्होंने मुझे बेटा हो गया है. जगन्नाथ राव जी ने कहा इसमें भी आरएसएस हाथ है क्या, ऐसे पूछा. ऐसा इनको सब कुछ में आरएसएस हाथ, राइट विंग दिखता है मैडम. मैडम लास्ट पॉइंट मैडम,
It's a very old.
ठीक 12 दिन के बाद, आफ्टर दादरी इंसिडेंट, ठीक 12 दिन के बाद मैडम मूडबिद्री में एक इंसिडेंट होता है. That Prashant Pujari, who was murdered, madam, do you know why he was murdered? He raised the voice against illegal cow slaughter which was happening in Moodbidre. It was just beside his flower shop. He raised the voice. He started a hesitation. एक आंदोलन खड़ा कर दिया. उसके लिए उनको धमकाया गया, अगर एक आंदोलन स्टॉप नहीं किया तो आपको मर्डर किया जाएगा. And in the open meeting he was challenged, if you continue this hesitation you will be murdered. After that he was murdered. He was not a regular activist of Bajrang Dal, madam. What this Abhay Chandra Jain, who is the minister, and the UT Khadar, district minister, what they said, do you know, madam? They said he was murdered because there were so many cases against him. Madam, I will tell, there was not even a single case was pending against him. He was murdered only because he raised the voice against the cow slaughtering. And what is happening in Dakshina Kannada, madam, in Nalit Kumar constituency? Daily people they are stealing the cows. And night, I went to, madam, last 2 minutes, madam. Yes. I went to Moodbidre. I talked to so many people. What people told me? Night में कौ को चोरी करता है. जब चोर आता है, एक घर में ऐसा हुआ, उन्होंने उठ गया, जाग गया और बाहर आने का कोशिश किया. जो चोरी करने के लिए आए थे वो क्या कहा, देखो पुलिस हमारे साथ है, गवर्नमेंट हमारे साथ है, अंदर जाओ नहीं तो मार डालेंगे. ये क्या तरीका है मैडम? एंड so far they are telling misguided youths are doing this. Madam, lastly, madam, in Moodbidre case, madam, in Moodbidre case, see their intolerance. आप तक सब भी सुनिए, क्योंकि कर्नाटक का मामला आपको जानता नहीं. मैं बता रहा हूं, आप सुनिए थोड़ा, आप सुनिए थोड़ा. मूडबिद्री में इनका टॉलरेंस देखिए मैडम, इनका टॉलरेंस देखिए. जो प्रशांत पुजारी का मर्डर हुआ, एक इनका लोकल एमएलए, कांग्रेस एमएलए मिनिस्टर है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट मिनिस्टर है, और उधर और एक मंत्री है. एक भी वो प्रशांत पुजारी का घर को विजिट नहीं किया. नॉट ओनली दैट मैडम, द पुलिस कमिश्नर ऑफ मंगलूर, he was instructed not to visit the Prashant Pujari who was murdered and console the family. This is their tolerance, madam. That's why, madam, CID inquiry in Kalburgi case, madam, lastly, madam, that has been stopped, madam. They are not able to trace out. I asked CID ADG, lastly, madam, in 30 seconds I will conclude, madam. Yes. I asked CID ADG, is there any clue? He said no. Is there any lead? He said no. But still then, they want to blame right-wing terrorists. They want to blame RSS. That's why I demand, Honorable Home Minister, most efficient and senior-most leader, who knows the country very well, Rajnath Singh ji is sitting here. Sir, with folded hand, I request you, hand over this case to CBI. Let the truth come out. Then everybody will come to know what is the truth. These people are trying to mislead the entire country with these words, madam. Thank you very much, madam.
Okay.